Okay, we are going to design using Fusion 360 an electronics enclosure in a minimalistic style. We start by creating a sketch, then we go with a rectangle, we choose the extrude, and we set up 3 millimeters. At this point, we're going to create a different sketch, and we are going to put there the elements for an extrusion over this first layer. So we go with a 5x5 rectangle, another one. Then we check the measures with the electronics project and we put 31 millimeters in the middle. Then we use the dimension tool to check the size over one side of the enclosure and the other one, and we make the adjustments so this is centrally aligned. The next step is to create another support at the back. This support is going to have 2 holes for screws, and we're going to put there a gesture device. Again, we check the distance to one side and the other one, and let's see, the other one is 30, so nothing to do here, everything is perfect. And over the right side of this enclosure, we're going to add 2 little columns to hold a buzzer. Again, we do the same with the dimension tool to check the distance to the side. It's 20 millimeters to the other side. Let's check again, and we have 20 millimeters, so everything is perfect. Then we select extrude, we select all the shapes recently created. First one, these 2, because they're going to have a different size. To the other side, okay, so minus 25 millimeters. We select the sketch. These are for the buzzers. Will be a little less higher, 10 millimeters. And the last one goes up to 35 millimeters. So everything is looking good. Right now we are going to create a shape at 45 degrees, 135, it depends where you start measuring. 3D printers are able to go for 45 degrees without using support, so we're going to use this feature to avoid the supports. So again, 135 considering the other side, and we put 2 lines, we close the shape, and that's it for the sketch. We turn using the middle wheel of the mouse, and then we extrude to complete that shape. Now a little trick, we are going to use the same sketch, but we're going to start from another object to create the other column. Everything is looking good, just a little more details. We have to put here 2 holes, 3 millimeters holes for the screws. That's correct. We use the dimension tool. We put 2.5 right in the middle. Then we have to check the distance between these 2, which is 14. And we use the dimension tool to check the distance to the edges of that shape. So 3 millimeters, not 2, and everything is good. Now we extrude these two shapes, but we go to the sides using a cut. And we have the holes to put the screws there. Now a little detail, we don't have to use all that material for the base, so we're going to make a little shape there, and ventilation if you want so, and it will allow the use of the pattern feature, which is a cool feature to make decorations and stuff. So we select 10 repetitions and we finish the sketch. We choose one and the other one, every other one, and we make an extrusion, a cut extrusion. Okay, so everything is ready, less than 5 minutes to create a complete enclosure without using any types of support.